Hello, Mr. Alani, Makosi, Sanborn. Messi, Los Alvas. Macekeceke. Sawubona. Magoma. Ngoku amagameni ngiwabiza kahle njalo. So as now Casey again today, so I still told myself I'm gonna do this thing, but we're gonna push for probably 45 to an hour. We'll see. Ayibo, yazi njengoba ngithule, angathi music awukho ngoba ugesi awukho. I'm not sure whether on your screen ngikhomba into efanayo yini noma ngikhomba into ehlukile. Cala nilungise la kancane, ngiyanicela. Ningilungisele. So I was here in the morning. Bengila ekuseni Tidi, stop tapping, Tidi. I was here in the morning. Nami ngilida umoya. Ukuthi ngifike ngizwa ukukhuluma nawe. Let me again remind you guys. Thank you, Figile. Yo guys, nginakhumbula nonke ngamagama enu ne? I-assignment guys is simple. If ulive ungawugcini isikhathi ku-live, don't phone me and ask me what I was telling people to do on the live. Right? Don't do that. You're abusing me when you're doing that. I said to you guys, ask your guides, who are you in the spirit? Bona bakubona ungubani, bakubona unjani. Right? Who are you? Basically, it's your ID, your identity, how your guides see you. And then I said, you guys must ensure, even if they answer you, you carry on asking them. You don't stop. Meaning that even if they show you something, ask them again the following day. Ngathi you should ask them this the entire week. Mhlawumbe nize niyoyeka on Monday. And the reason behind that is that you guys spend so much time wanting to know ama ancestors wenu ukuthi angobani, bona bangobani. So if kwenzeka ukuthi you arrive late, I'm not obligated to rewind anything that I have said. Since uyazi ukuthi ngo-6 ngikhona, if ungekho wena ngo-6, do not feel the need to take me back. That one is not fair. Right? So the exercise I hope niqalile ukuyenza, and I hope i-performance yenu will not be as bad as what you guys did when I told you to go fasting. I told you to go fasting. None of you came back to engage here. None of you came back to say, I went to go. So then I will be discouraged in future to give you spiritual exercises to do. Ngachaza yonke into ngendaba ye-fasting nganitshela ngathi ayiqalane niphakela abantu abadala ngachaza it made sense to you. I explained everything with the gentleness that I have, with the patience of articulating and teaching. Nonke nahamba, not a single one of you came back and said ngiyenzile ngayiqeda, this was my experience. Not a single one of you did that. Not a single one of you did that. Acknowledge nje ukuthi okay ngiyenzile lentothi angiyenze ngayiqeda. It will mean a lot to me. It will encourage me in future ukuthi hayi asike siqhubeke mina nawe sicathulisane siye phambili. But if you are given a homework hamba ukwenza ukuthi and then when you just keep quiet and you do not say anything, no Mangubani, you never came here or what request, ne? Yes, you're the only one who actually requested and spoke about it. But at that time, are you guys actually still doing it now? So then the question is, out of 100 people who are ordinarily on the live, would it be a good analysis to say, out of the 100 plus people on the live, 2 people will come back and say, I did this, I completed it. But they still don't say what their experience was. So, you and I are having a very unhealthy relationship. A very unhealthy relationship. Kuyothi bangabe soqala usuba nezinkinga ezithize base ukhana ukubuya ukuthi awumkhulu yazi wakwasitshela ukuthi asenze ukuthi konje kwenziwa kanjani. Base ngiyathula nje ngiyakubuka but deep down inhliziyo yami izobithi. Base wena uthi ngenhliziyo. Base ngiyatshela ukuthi angisakhumbuli ukuthi ngathini. Ngoba engangikusho ngangisemoyeni. But when you failed to discern and listen, bese wenza lento engithe yenza. In everything that I'm asking you guys to do, I ask you to trust me. Because believe it or not, I'm not going to lead you astray. I am not. Uzokhula la ngokomoya, ukhule ngokokholo, and you are in a safe space. So the problem again is you. Now, i-exercise yayizolo engithe iqaleni izolo ebusuku. Bangaki la kuna bayenzile leyo nto. Type lapha, yeke ukuthepha iscreen, utype ukuthi uyenzile lento. Qamba amanga lapha, bhala amanga akho lapho. Ubhala amanga quickly. Wena Sibongile nje Nkosi yami, uyi-ancestor yalo live, angazi ngizoyithini indaba yakho. Uyi-ancestor nje yalo live Nkosi yami. Wena konke nje uyohleza ukwenza Nkosi yami Jehova simakade sezulu. Okay. I've got 2 people who did this. Yabona nonke nitype ukuthi ngiyenzile lento. You guys are gonna have to come back up and request. Mase niyaxoxa bamese beqala ukuniphendula ukuthi yini okukhonjiswe yona. Again, let ngifuna nicabange kahle because it's a very beautiful thing le relationship yami nami. Khona izinto engizenzayo mina. I will come here to reach out to you. Your guys are gonna bring you on this platform and you are here, and then I'm gonna teach. Then kwehle emhlane wedada. Then I come back, I give you an assignment, do this spiritually, and you don't do it. No? That is fine with me. I mean, I'm fine with that, right? But then it becomes a problem when my energy will tell me, don't be so anxious to go there, because they do not respond accordingly. That is why on Monday I didn't show up. I was like, I'm gonna chill, me no Netflix Swami and whatever Showmax, I'm going to chill. Then you guys go to my DM, Mkulu Ugopi. You are the ones who are not fair. It becomes a very unhealthy relationship. Mama, okay, guys, requesting you guys a peso. You don't want to do that. Mama saying, the following day, you are complaining, I'm cool, share up Flungizon. Yeah, there's no mutual respect between me and you, and that is a problem. Now, I need you guys to do the exercise that I gave you, Izolo. I said for 7 days. Ask your ancestors, phahla and pray. Ubuza idalwa zakho, ubuza ingelosi yakho, ngingubani, who am I? And I told you guys to say, the problem is ekutheni you mangabe uphupha ugogo thizeni uyagijima uyophahla uthi uba wena gogo uze ngani uhlambulukile yini and so on. Mama ekufika ikhehle uyabuza uba wena mkhulu uhlambulukile yini uze ngani. But you are so interested in knowing them, you don't even know who you are. So sengithi mina hamba kuyobabuza bona ukuthi wena ungubani emehlweni abo. So you'll get the correct identity of who you are. Only a fool, only a spiritual fool will not do this exercise when you've got nothing to lose but serious information to gain. Ngase ngithi kunina uyobusa uqala ke ubabuze ebusuku ulala uthonge into oyithongayo. Abanye benu baqala ukuniphendula after 3 days or 4 days, right? Phinde futhi, you don't stop uphinde futhi ubabuze. Even if they're showing you, you ask them further, why did I say that? It's because omunye umuntu, ngifuna ukwenza i-example ngizwenza i-example ngesango. Omunye umuntu waqala eyithwasa akagcinanga ekutheni ebe yithwasa, waphinde futhi waba isangoma. Wangagcina ngokuba isangoma, waphinde waba ugobela. Wangagcina ngokuba ugobela, waphinda waba umthakathi. Okay, asikho ke lapho. But what I'm trying to say is that there's growth in spirituality. There's growth. Ngiqala le ndlela nawe iqala ngendlela abaningi la kunina saqanjelwa manga kwathiwa sinezithunywa. Hayi unesithunywa nje kufanele ukuthi uhambe uyiswe emanzini nje kuyogezwa isithunywa sakho. Iyaqala kanjalo phela le ndaba. Yaqala ngekhandla elimhlophe. Yaziqala uPhuphuthandasi. Today some of you are able to stop the rain. So ingakho ke ngithi ask them and don't stop, because bangakhombisa lokhu namhlanje kusasa bekukhombisa lokhu kusasa bekukhombisa lokhu, and indeed also they will even show you things about your life. Uvuka usitshela wena ukuthi hayi wena uphuphe kukhona izingane eziwu5, usukutshela hayi izingane zakho lezi bayakhombisa ifuture yakho uthi imi kanjani. Kukhona nendoda ebenengozi nje la, usukutshela hayi umkhwenyana wakho nje loyo. We shall tell you. So all I'm simply saying is that when you just need to do the exercise, because really it is in your own best interest to do this exercise. Who am I in your eyes? And leyo nto ngisuseli from anywhere nina enkholwa kakhulu. uGideon lapha in the book of Judges, he was a nobody in his own eyes. And in God's eyes, he was a mighty, valiant warrior. Mighty warrior. Kushiba igwala, umkhufefe wegwala. Ngiyoxoxa kahle lento kaGideon because kwathina nje la eFamily and Saints, itheme yethu comes from Gideon. A lot of people don't know that. Itheme yethu la eFamily and Saints iqhamuka from Gideon. It's Judges 6 and verse 8. So there was a very interesting realization about uNkulunkulu and umuntu obiziwe uNkulunkulu. So kubalulekile ukuthi wena uzibuze ukuthi who are you according to God's eyes. Once wayithola futhi leyo nto leyo, we'll move to the next chapter ukuthi hayi bafaka ipressure phela ukuthi leyo nto leyo abakubona uyona ayenzeke. Ayenzeke. Asikubone phela lokho. Why are you stuck in struggles when you umntwana wamakhosi, wena umntwana kamoya, wena umntwana wamanzi? Why wena fanele ukuthi ube stuck? Those are the questions that you need to take them through. You need to take them through. Mama said better phela. Now let me get into something else. Ngikhathele ukuthi nginithethise ne. Ngiyanithanda guys, but you guys are disappointed the way they can manage you. Let's talk about fighting. Let's talk about fighting. It's time I equip you on this fighting. Yeka ukuzimagina ke wena ushayana nosibanibani yeke phuma kulo ngqondo lo. Hayi. Ngithe let's talk about fighting. Now when are you imagining your enemy and you and your enemy fighting? Why are you doing that? Uyasibona umqondo wakho uthi unjani? How guys? Mina nje angin understand ngiyangithusa. I've always insisted that since you are spiritually gifted, you are going to face a lot of attacks. I've always maintained ukuthi indlela izukuba lulu uzothi usaphefumula nje kube khona nje okunomona ngenze ukuthi umuntu wakini kungenza ukuthi umakhelwane kungenza ukuthi colleague. You will always be tested in this journey of ours. And I've always said to you, uzobona nawe njengendoda ukuthi umisa kanjani. But that advice was very, very bad, very poor advice, because yona lento edala ukuthi nambe niyofuna umpinda mshayi nina. So now it's a problem. Because uNkulunkulu said uzobona nawe njani wena base uyahamba ufuna impinda mshayi wena wenza return to sender and so on and so forth. Which is wrong. It's very wrong. Khumani nje kulo mkhuba lo, yekeni lento ya return to sender, yekeni into yes impinda mshayi yekeni bathakathi bami. Yeke. Stop. Let me give you another method to fight. Amen. Let me give you another method to fight. When someone is attacking you and you are being attacked, defend, hold the ground. Hold the ground. Hold the ground. Uyaphupha ke manje ke feces. Hey, okay, lezi nyanga ezingafunda ngazazi ukuthi ina ama feces. Manje bahlele windini mame ngithi izibhalani lapho bazongabambi ke. So you are dreaming of feces. You're dreaming of nudity, right? And then you see, okay, you are under attack. What you guys do immediately, you go and you get things to send back to sender. Is that not predictable? Is that not predictable? That is why abanye befike afike umuntu agadle emva kwalokho base yacupha ukuthi bawusubuyisa kuphindele kuwena kuyenzekile utho kuyena unyenyi because we are predictable. So you must stop being predictable first and foremost. Yeke lento ka return to sender is not going to assist you. It's not. When you are fighting, uyena oyisusile, uwena fanele kuyiqede. Uyena oyisusile, wathi uyayivubela impi, uyayivubela, attack. Hold your ground. Hold your ground. Uyavika, but do not attack. Do not attack. Ngithe ngithembeni and angisoze ngalilahlekisa. Do not attack. Lo muntu uyak-attack, vika, but do not attack. Yabo, the more uvika, the more attacker yena, the more vika wena, the more ikhathala yena. Angizwe. The more when uvika, you are protecting yourself, right? Uyayichitha lento leya oshawa ngayo. The more yena attack, and the more you proceed uqhubeka wena uvika, the more yena ekhathala. Zonke izinto zidinga energy, zonke izinto zidinga patience, zonke izinto zidinga intshisekelo. So ngalesikhathi uvika wena, yena uyagadla yena, wena uyavika. Lento afuna ukuthi yenzeke kuwena ayenzeki. Kwenzakalani kuyena psychologically? Bona kuphela 2 weeks, 3 weeks abona ayikho lento. Aqale be discouraged. Yes, I said learn the art of war. Yabo, eqale be discouraged. Uvikile. Umyeke. That one is very, very important. Umyeke. Ngoba ngalesikhathi yena attacker uthemba amandla akhe. But akawazi amandla akho. Right? Ngifuna lento uyizwe kahle, ungilandele kahle lento. I'm teaching you how to fight now. Mawusuqedile. Lo muntu lo. Mkhulu Zilias, ngiyabonga gorgeous for subscribing. I appreciate that. Lo muntu lo njengoba ke manje ek-attacker and attackeki. Hayi ukuthi awazi, uyazi wena ukuthi wenzani. Uyambona futhi uyaboniswa nasemaphupheni. Abanye bazontshela abantu abawabelaphi la. Omunye umuntu uze eweqe umuthi, eweqela ukuthi wena ungamboni ukuthi uyena. Kuvela omunye umuntu. Yabona ke bangabe ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi spiritually gifted. Ilula kakhulu leyo. Uma uthi hayi ngiyambona usibanibani ukuthi uyangithakatha. But ngicela ukuthi ngikhombise okuyena yena. Ngoba umoya wakho uzokuphikisa lento ukuthi uyena lo. Bamveza same time nge-intuition, same time bephinde futhi bemconfirm ephupheni ubona ukuthi hawu nasi sigeleni. Uyabona ke lapha usuyavika ke manje. Because once you understand the person who's attacking you ukuthi yini enibangayo, uyakwazi futhi wazi ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe nenzondo yakhe ingakanani. Right? Uvike, hold it. Phuma kwimpinda mshaya. Hold the fort, hold the ground, hold the center. Ungaduduleki. Uyoloke ehambe yakulo muntu wakhe ethi lento yakhe ayisebenzi, lo muntu akwenzeki lutho kuyena nani thiwa hayi inkingo. Vele uyobe ngasakholwa nanokuthi into yakhe iyasebenza because you are holding the ground. You hold the ground. Uyabona lapho uphuphu uyadubuleka noma uyadutshulwa nakho konke lokho when you protect yourself. Uvike, hold the ground, lokhu uvikile. Abase lesilima siyakhathala ukugadla kuwena. Akhathala. Abe discouraged because imphumela akayiboni. Bawususuka emva kwalokho. You then say to your guides now, show me what that person was using. Information, knowledge is power. It's a very powerful currency, information. Show me ukuthi ubesebenzisana lo muntu. And you make sure ukuthi you never use what they used. Bakadle ngomuthi batshe ngikhombisela ukuthi umuphe kade uhlanganisile. When I get a client here, ubona ukuthi lo muntu lona udiniwe, lo muntu sebedilile naye. uyagowisha ngendlela agowisha ngakhona, they are ready to die and they are ready to fight. Base ngithi ehlisa umoya, don't fight, awehlisa umoya, asike simdedele eqhubeke ekuthakathe. Awuvike nje wena, uyagadla, awuvike nje, vika vika. Uyabona ibhlungu ke lento yokwehlisa umoya. My guides taught me that in a very painful way. Hayi angena impela ama-attacks kodwa kuthi ungenzi nix. Wait, ungenzi nix. Uyabona ke, I always then say to abantu abeze kumina, you must never fight fire with fire. That is stupidity. Usungazi uzincome nje uzenza into enkulu. Mina I fight fire with fire mina I meet you halfway. Singahlangana emkhathini nangaphansi kwamanzi head on. It's because we are stupid. It's because you do not understand warfare. And you are certainly not a strategic person. You must never fight fire with fire. That is stupidity. Lo muntu uyena ofike waqala umlilo, uready ukuthi nawe uzowubasa umlilo. Why are you then being predictable? You fight fire with water. The only thing eshaya umlilo amanzi. Awukwazi ke wena. Ngizongangizwa ngoba ngeke ngithi go deep on this one. Awukwazi wena ukuthi umuntu egadle ngomuthi wena basugadla ngomuthi nawe. That is stupidity. Don't do that. It's not going to help you in any spiritual fight that you get into. Yebo bakusukelile siyavuma. Nalo ozazi ukuthi umuthi awusebenzi kuyena naye useyawusebenzisa ngoba nakhe efuna impindi amshaya efuna izinto ziphindele emuva. That is stupidity. That is stupidity. Uyazi omunye bamgadla ngomuthi wahamba wayolanda umuthi naye we into ngaphakathi kuyena iyasho ukuthi lento yenza ayizukusebenza lento le. Isitha sakhe siyajabula la esikhona ngoba simgadla ngomuthi ngoba vele isitha sijoyina ukwenzani ukusebenzisa umuthi. Yazi wathi umqondo ubuya kulomuntu lo wenza into esimple encane nje. Wathi hayi Jehova sengikhathele manje, ngicela ungisize, ngicela ungenele prayer. Wamshaya wambhanqa ngeindonga nje ngeprayer which was less than 5 minutes. Akade estima, akade enza zonke izinto lana egquma ekhwifa, enza zonke lezi zinto lezi echatha nithini ukupeyita lapha egoli enza zonke lezi zinto le. Wamshaya ngomkhuleko which was less than 5 minutes duration. Lona eza ngomuthi la kona khona lokhu cha umuthi awumsebenzeni wenza into simple. It was a simple prayer. Ushaya ginqina nemoto leyanto. Bekuyimpindi amshaya futhi kwayona le. But it was not coming from your mouth. Another thing ekumele ukuthi mawuyifunde uyibambe, you need to see nokuthi ngingene kulempi into a battle the absent uthembeni ibackup yakhe iqhamuka. It's uthembeni. A lot of you guys do that. You react emotionally towards izinto zakamoya. And remember also, because lefane ukuthi uyizwe nje, remember also ukuthi ezinye izinto uvele kumele ukuthi mawungene kuzona, those trials, those tribulations, leyo thakathment, sizothi wena ume lapho ukwazi ukulaphana uhlulekile ukuzilapha wena ngalesikhathi wena kade bekuthakatha. So kwesinye isikhathi your enemies are there to strengthen you and to capacitate you ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uvike isitha sakho. Kwesinye isikhathi ubosibonga, because a lot of you are strong today ngenxa yezimo endlule kuzona esidala ukuthi you develop thick skin and you become strong. Some of the heartbreaks that you felt along the way, they are part of your spiritual journey and it's part of your discernment. In 2023, I was actually teaching you guys, I was saying to you guys, no. One of the things that Mina now make a mistake about, love. Ancestors don't give a damn about emotions. They don't. How you feel, this is how you feel, this is what you feel. Your ancestors, they don't give a damn about your feelings. Feelings, emotions, that is non-existent. They want results. Most of the time, people who are chosen for you to be in your life, hello, Kanya. Most of the people who are brought by ancestors in your life, first glance, you object. Whether it's a healer, whether it's a lover, a lifetime partner, you'll have an objection. Your first reaction is always a negative one. You never immediately celebrate. Ubona with time, but initially, no, you'll reject it. It's because they don't care about your emotions. They care about the duty at hand. What must be executed? What must be done? What must be achieved? That is what you guys prioritize. Bafuna results from you. So I'm then saying to you, do not be quick. Uyongena kwama spiritual warfare. Let me repeat what I said last year. Abanye benu nivuka ngo-12 ebusuku. Nonsense. Ayike yabona ke labo hayi. Uvuka ngo-12 ebusuku wena. Uvuka ngo-12 ebusuku. Uthi wena iportal ivuliwe. Kusho wena. Uvuka ngo-12 ebusuku uthi iportal ivuliwe, usungena ku-spiritual warfare. Wena ubhizi uyalwa wena ku-spiritual warfare. Ulwa nobani? There's absolutely nothing wrong happening empilweni yakho, but when you're busy fighting, when you're forever fighting, guys, ikahleni. Hawu Nkosi yami. Hawu Sathane, kuwukuthi akubuku Sathane athi hayibo ngingenaphi mina einkingeni zakho. Ngathi nje uyisehluleke usahlulo ukuthi uthandaza into serious ngizo because guys phela uSathane unaka abantu abaserious man. Abantu uSathane akasoza attack man unama vibrations alow. Uhlula nawo ukuphahla kahle. Uhlula nawo ukuthandaza kahle. Kodwa ubhizi wena ngo-12 ebusuku usizwa ngawo uqeqebula ulwizimpi zasemkhathini usahlulwa izimpi zempilo yakho. Njani? Ubhizi wena ngo-12 ebusuku wena uyathandaza wena uyaqeqebula wena uhlulwa ukubamba indoda nje, just ukubamba indoda. Yabona ubamba ngithi ukubamba you keeping a man. Just keeping a relationship, a steady relationship. Kuyahlula. Unenkinga eziningi kabi wena. Unenkinga. Uhlulwa nje ukubamba nje i-relationship solid uyibambe. Kufike ama thize nama storms e-relationship, uyibambe i-relationship. Uhlulwa ukubamba i-relationship ucabanga ukuthi ungabamba impi yasemkhathini. Njani? Hayi guys, umsana ukuganga nina. Yazi nesikhathi sokuganga nina niyadlala nina. Niyadlala. You've got time for jokes nina. How? Yafika intombazane yakuthi phahla ngesichitho, yathi phahla yathatha indoda yakho, yabaleka nendoda yakho, yabaleka intombazane nendoda yakho ukhona wena kodwa uhlezi uvuka ngo-12 ebusuku. Uyathandaza ebusuku ku-spiritual warfare ngo-12 ebusuku wena. Yini lento yenza ngo-12 ebusuku ngoba uyahluleka ukuyenza emini. Nansi indoda ihambile. Mangabe indoda ibuka iyacasuka indoda ikunyanya indoda kodwa uyavuka ngo-12 ebusuku wena. Shandara bashikara babo botha fire. In Jesus' name, in God's name, how Jesu, hayi ngialwa, ngiyayilwa impika Sathane, ngiyayilwisa impika Sathane, ulwisa impika Sathane, nansi ulwisa impi kaSathane. Impi kaSathane lo yilwayo uyalwa. Uthi wena ulwa namademoni, uhlulwa intombazane lekuthathela indoda yakhe. Ihambile indoda. Uhlulwa intombazane. Why the hell are you waking up at midnight? Because clearly whatever you're doing is useless. Uhlulwa izinto ezilingana nawe. Intombi yayithatha ingane necleavage, yayithatha indoda ngecleavage. Imagine njengamanje indoda yakho nanka amabhubs icleavage. Ugela ushaya iwoman on top. Le nkunzimalanga le la kena imshaya lana uboyfriend wakhe akacabangi nanokucabanga njengoba emshaya njengamabele kanjena nje ingqondo yanyaka kanjena nje ingqondo yanyaka. Ayakacabangi wena ubhizi uvuka ngo12 ebusuku ulwimpi kaSathane doti. Ukuthi ubani wakurecruiter ukuthi ulwe impi uthi ulwisa uSathane noma ulwisa ingelosi noma ulwisa ini, you are so busy occupied ubhizi ulwa lezi zimpi lezi ziyakhalela wena la emhlabeni ziyakhalela wena ziyakhalela. It's crying for you. Uyagowisha ngendlela lokho awugowishi uyadepart. You are not going to land anytime soon. You are busy fighting battles that have got nothing to do with you. That's none of your business. Usahlulwa nje yilokho okuncane okuqondene nawe. Why? Hamba uyozilungisa wena. So those vuke nathi ebusuku busy, you are busy screaming here at midnight, you are waking us up, we are trying to sleep peacefully thina. Asinampi kaSathane kufanele silwise thina because we know ukuthi our enemies are right here on earth and we know how to deal with spiritual problems. Thiwa have ethandaza Nkosi yami usisibani kushiwo wena. Have ethandaza umthandaza ubani kushiwo wena. Indoda kodwa ihambile indoda. Apa ba result umkhuleko wakho uhlulwa nje ukubamba hawu phela guys hayibo umkhuleko wakho uhluleka ukubamba into engaka ngobude iyahluleka umkhuleko yo prayer fails ukubamba indoda phela into enisonika ibanga kwindoda into ende nje kangaka ngobude nje. That is how much of a failing prayer warrior you are when you scream a lot when you are praying, but the result as what told. The length of a teaspoon, your prayer is failing to keep within the relationship something which is the length of a teaspoon. When you joking, when you've got time for jokes. Now, it's in a serious. When you are miscalculating which battle to fight and which one not to fight. Uzufike nje wena uthi hey yazi Nkosi yami waze wangilinga uSathane esukuma uSathane ekhuza ibudget Jehova ngicela ukhuza ingane yakho esho wena uSathane ethi uSathane Jehova ngicela ukhuza ingane yakho iyangisukela ihlulwa usine izothi mina angithi phela you guys do blame shifting uyamsaba usine lapho usine uthathile indoda and njengoba usine eyithathile le ndoda le bayoxoxa ukuthi I maintenance yomntwana izobe kumali usine o advisor indoda yakho ukuthi I maintenance yomntwana ekufanele ukuthi ize kuwena kuzobe umalini usine wena uthandaza ebusuku ngo12 ebusuku wena ubhizi uyaqeqebula uyakhala uthi fire usine uyena ozophendula umkhuleko wakho ngendaba ye maintenance yomntwana wakho usine sukela uSathane la uyamsaba usine wena. Why usaba usine ukuthathela indoda ngomuthi fanele singakhohlisani. You've got a vagina, Sine's got a vagina. Usine uthe 1 2 wabonto ilahlile lenyoni esho wena uthi ulahlile wena kusho usine athi wathi usine ilahlile lenyoni wathi usine ngiyayithatha le ndoda wayithatha le ndoda wayihambela kuanti lapha ahambela kugogo noma umkhulu lapha wamnikeza amakhathakhatha but because when your man is spiritually weak and you are the weakest wakushaya usine uthathe imali yendoda yakho usine wahamba wayobonga kugogo lapha endumbeni ukuthi umuthi wakho umsebenzelile indoda yakho isikuyena usine wena ubhizi uvuka ngo12 ebusuku Uzositshela ukuthi wena I'm a prayer warrior. Fuseki, awuso prayer warrior whether you are snares victim. La eceleni kwegama la uyabona kwegama lakho fanele sibhale ukuthi snares victim. Futhi ngiyamthanda ujwayele ukuba usinethemba futhi akungena usinenhlathi. Ujwayele ukuba usinethemba. Kulombuka bese uyamthemba ubona ukuthi hayi kulungile lokho. Ku right lokho emoyeni kanti uDodo lwabisha ayithatha indoda. Ayithatha indoda. Ifike ingene endlini kuwena indoda ayithi izobona izingane basithi hayi khonto enginukela kabi la base iyaphuma iyahamba lapho wena upheka ukhari omnandi inukele ukhari wakho omnandi yes hayi kushaye usine akushaye because you are busy focusing on things which are of no consequence to you. I-direction yakho spiritually iyabheda. You are a lost soul. And usine udinga wena because you must understand usine ne. Usine udinga wena uholu 350 post office. Man basaphuma 350. Mhlambe I'm updated. Am I outdated? Basakhona 350. Usine uzokushaya kuze kuphele umsebenzi wakho. Vele ngifuni le ndoda vele nje inkosi yami ibivele ngifakela istress vele ibiwathanda amantombazane akuve ngihappy we kodwa uyaphupha ngo12 ebusuku wena ose u37 wena kodwa ngo12 ebusuku uyavuka wena snares victim uyathandaza wena usine uzokuphuca indoda aphinde futhi akushaye emsebenzini bekuzonde bonke once like mistake you'll be fired usinelo thatha kancane usine. Ikhona kodwa guys into enhle eqhamuka lamagama athi aqala ngosine. Hayi bonke nje bamademon. Uzoyishefa uzozuyeka ukuyishefa ngoba baba ngeke sayidla ngoba usine usefikile. Qhubeka ke nokuthi uthandazeke ebusuku lwabisha ndini. Njengoba uyishefa nje uyishefela umkhuleko ka12 midnight because wena you are failing. Uyoyishefela iHoly Spirit indoda iyahamba ngiyakutshela mina because you are busy choosing the wrong battles at the wrong time and your healer is not telling you and your priest is not telling you the truth. They are not telling you the truth. Bajabulela umnikelo nenkanyiso bona bakutshela iqiniso. Fike lapho post mina ebusuku inkosi yami mina ngiyavuka ebusuku ngiyathandaza mina ebusuku kuthiwa carry on mina la ekhaya ngiyakubuza why. Awulali ngani? Are you guys waking you up? Hayi sengize ngicuphiwashi nje inkosi yami base ngiyalontuza futhi labo bantu labo yilabo abafike bebhale WhatsApp status the stupidity of people who call themselves prayerful warriors. Hayi uzoqala ngo12 at midnight base efaka ama emoji yokuthi yena useyathandaza ngo12 isitha sesiyazi ukuthi awlo dodi lo useyaqala akushaya. Ayakushaya. Because for the fact that you are making an advertisement, you are making an announcement ukuthi unithandaza ngasikhathi sini like ayazi isikhathi sakho sokuthandaza must not be known. I must not know isikhathi wena uthandaza ngaso. Ngingenaphi mina uthi wena noNkulunkulu wakho nama ancestors wakho ni communicate ngasikhathi sini. That is witchcraft. Why must I know? It's because ngifuna ukuyicindezela into yakho ingaphakala. Wena ke kodwa uyas advertise. Baxakeka abantu abadala bangabusa ukhala lapha yana kubona ukuthandaza base emva kwalokho ke base uyakhala ke inkosi yami ukhali base beyaqhamuka omkhulu thango beqambela amanga bethi hayi no ukuphakama isithunywa cry kuphakama isithunywa akho sithunywa esiphakamayo la futhi ukhaliswa ukuthi uyazizwa ingozi usine ayishayayo la ekhanda uyazizwa ziyafika phela ziyafika uthi umoya ingcwele isicho andisi uqala ukhala uzube nesibibithwane lana akusisona isithunywa nkosi yami phela asingasuke njalo isithunywa usine ukhumbula ukuthi usine uyagila usine endakawuthatha ushida usine uthakathi into serious uyazazi usine ukuthi umthakathi yena akadlali kanjalo. My favorite part about usine is that usine bangabe sekhathela indoda yakho uyayibuyisa alibonga igama lika Sine usine bame sekhathela indoda yakho uyayibuyisa inkosi yami Ewu Jehova. Usine ngimthanda ukufa mina usine. Usine uneqiniso usine. When uyothi it's my answered prayer, it's not your answered prayer. Usine is done with your man. Usine uyithathile indoda yakho wayifaka ezikweletini, indoda yakho ibishile phakathi ezikweletini, phakathi deep into izikweletu. Kanti ithatha amaloni, ithatha imali inikeza usine yonke into, inikeza usine yonke into, inikeza usine. Usine unestand, uthenga isite lapha indoda yakho ayazi. Bangabe sebonile ukuthi okay now is financially struggling this one. Ebona usine ukuthi mina ngeke ngize ngiyondla indoda kasibani esho wena. Ayixoshe indoda ikhali angithi idlisiwe phela indoda wena. You failed to spiritually protect your man through prayer nokuphahla. You failed. Yingakho la nina abanye benu ngilokuhlezi ngintshela yabona this thing leyo ukuthi nigoloze kube sengathi thina siyaxoxa inganekwane. Mama sithi if you are spiritually gifted, do yourself a favor. You are in a relationship with somebody. Ask your guides, bantu abadala niyamvuma yini lo muntu lo engithandana naye na? Right? And then your guides are going to respond. Base uyamtshela usibani bani uthi lalela wena. Wozongikhunga because ngihamba nabantu abadala. Ayikho into ebhlungu njengokuthi kuqhamuka umuntu kazana nje akuthathele indoda and your guides they clap their hands out of relief. Awungizwa. Awungizwa. Kuqhamuka umuntu wazi uhamba namakhosi wena. Uhamba nesithunywa saphezulu wena. Hey, kuqhamuke nje a bum from the society. Ifike nje ikuthathele umuntu wakho kungabi indaba zalutho and your guys they clap hands. Why? Because you and your partner undermined your guides by not recognizing them. You are in a relationship for years, you are in a relationship for months. And idalwa sikhungiwe lapho. Now how do you go uyocela ifavor yokuthi relationship yakho iprotectwe? Iwona lama guides eningawakhunganga. Make it make sense to me so I learn something new. Angazi manje yayizwa lento engiyishoyo. You are being njengamanje. You are in a relationship. Awukhohlwa prioritize close. Cover all the corners. The first thing oyenzayo, you ask your guides, nangu sibani bani usefikile abantu abadala, do you approve? Once abantu abadala bathi you approve, niba intimate once, not more than 4 times. Akhunge because uhamba nabantu abadala. Usuyakwazi ke emva kwalokho ukuthi uhambe uyocela abantu abadala ngicela ni protect le relationship lebantu abadala. Make this relationship be fruitful. Make this relationship be prosperous. Make this relationship be a tool for you to do and achieve izinto nina nifuna ukuthi mazenziwe. Yabona ke lapha usine uyofika eqhamuka kukhokho vula womthakathi nomuthi. Athi bangabe yagadla usine, hey idalwa zakho zigoloze zime. Yabona le khokho vula umtshelile usine ukuthi lalela ngeke kuphela u3 days. Izokufonela le ndoda, izobuya le ndoda le. Kanti wena ngenxa yokuthi nibakhungile abantu abadala, even if you are spiritually weak, when abantu abadala bezinze bethi bevale baphinde bekukhombisa ukuthi nangu usine wenza ukuthi usubuya babo ekhaya lalela wena lo ntombi liwayishela lapha ya thatha inamba yayo enwathaphana na yenza ukuthi nokuthi ithuka indoda ukuthi hayibo wazi ngani, because now your guides are now giving you information so that le ndoda izosheshe ihlehle kuloya muntu loya. But ke ngoba indoda iyahlupha ke ngoba icabanga ngepipi izofika yazi baby yazi ungitshelile ukuthi yazi baby uthe uyazi nje uyakusukela nje ubaby uthe nje wena sithanda sami wena ungisebenzisela imithi because amadoda ayabhayisa. Usine futhi ngeke azaphendula nokuphendula uzothi come love come sithanda sami come uzosho njalo nje usine is very focused, uyayazi agenda yakhe ngeke aphike usine ngeke avuma usine uzothi come I'm coming yeah usedayisile. He's thrown you under the bus now because now usine uyabona ukuthi okay uyabona manje uyabona usine uzoza nebhazuka manje akudabule nge-spiritual bazooka mfana uzobuthi idalwa zakho, then they decide, you know what, let's get the hell out of this relationship. This man is stupid. This man right there, this is a fool. This is a permanent fool. This one, it's a permanent fool. It's a perpetual fool. This one. Baphume again. Khaleke lapho wena uyikhaleleke indoda ikhala indoda ngasikhathi ichama lapha ibhizi yenza ama commitment babamisile lebeleni lika Sine lelu Sine bangabe imshaya ngalo la ingqondo ingathathi kahle bangabe uSine enza umoya on top amabele imshaya icleavage ezethi awema ekhala isoSine ebiza uSine ngoma wakhe isilima sendoda leso. Can you imagine? Your woman is on top of you, you are crying for your mother. So you guys, be the prayer warrior that you are supposed to be. Be the prayer warrior that you are supposed to be. Be so elevated in spirit that izinto zibona zisenzeka ngokwelika moya before zenzeke kwa physical. And you are able to engage. Yabona ke lento engagement is very yabona le engagement iyanhlula guys kanti akuvi balekile. Le engagement ibalekile. Yazi ungakhonjiswa manje kuthiwa yazi usibanibani uzoba nengozi yemoto. Uzoba nje nengozi yemoto. Ukhonjiswa usibanibani uzoba nengozi yemoto. Hey, you can fight that. Uma ngenyawo wena you should know over my dead body. You can't do that. Nikwenzelani lokho? Kanjani? Nikwenzelani? Unqaba wena, unqabela lo yamuntu loyana oyisihlobo sakho, utshela ama guides wakho ukuthi hayi anikwazi nina nithula kanjani ukuthi lento yenzeke. Nikhona. Yayibam? Ama guides abona ukuthi hey, lo mntwana wethu is going to be displeased. It's not about emotions, ne? Because phela ama guides ayakudinga nawe njengoba nawe wadinga. Ngake ngathi kunina ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu ngobukhona bakho umenza yena ukuthi ebe uNkulunkulu wakho. The minute you keep quiet about that, he ceases to be your God, right? So ngokunjalo ke nezidalwa zakho, your ancestors, they remain relevant ngokuthi wena ube khona ngenxa yokuthi igazi labo lihamba emathambeni akho. So nawe uyakwazi ukuthi ulwe. So uma ngabe usufika ke la kulezi zinto zama spiritual warfare that you are busy engaging yourself with, stop making a mistake of thinking that everything is just automatic. But stop going around starting wars which are unnecessary. But the most important thing also, do me a favor. Ngicela uyivale imbobo yophuthu. Hey, ivale imbobo ye rice, ivale imbobo ye stampu, ivale imbobo yophuthu, ivale. 90% of you have encountered problems. Unebididibaa. Ego onayo, your desire for you to overshare things, your desire for you to boast about things. Hey, ayikho into ekudalele izitha njengomlomo wakho. Ayikho into ekudalele izitha njengomlomo wakho. And you are just never learning the lesson. That is why you'll be in a cycle kanje, a vicious cycle. How usibanibani wena waba nomngane usibanibani naze naxabana. Waphinde futhi waba nomngane osibanibani naze naye ukukhulumisana. Waphinde waba nomngane osibanibani uyabona ke loyo wasufika kena lo wafika kwinkunzi malanga yamane nje yakuthakatha nje straight. Awuvale la. Ngiyacela. Awuvale umlomo. Stop oversharing your plans. Stop oversharing your prayers. Stop oversharing your manifestation. You are destroying your own self. Asingalokho nje sizenze holy la isidingo singekho. Let us not. Angeke mina ngihlala nawe la endlini. Emini sindawonye asisebenzi. Wena ubhizi utshela mina ukuthi uapplyela umsebenzi, kusho ukuthi uzibona ungcono kunami. Ubona ukuthi wena fanele uhole wena mina ngingaholi. Shuthi wena uclever wena. Uclever wena. Hayi mina ngi-applyile mina kamasipala, hayi ngi-applyile kahulumeni. Hayi nje ngiyayizwa lento kumina ngaphakathi ukuthi umsebenzi ngizowuthola. Umngani wakho basethi hayi ngathi ngawuthola Boss umfonela sasekuseni. Hawu kuphi? Ethi umuntu hayi khona la ngivuke ngaphuthuma ngaya khona. Yabona mangabe sesho njalo ngakutshela nane destination rest assured uyokulandela amakhathakhatha lwabisho. Akho umsebenzi wawuthola la wena. Nizazohlala ndawonye la njike nelanga. You are oversharing. Hayi ngi-applyile promotion. Hayibo. Nanti ibhadi bo. Nangu umuntu bo. Usufuna uhola kangcono kunami. Hayibo. Nanti ibhadi lami. Wena sisafarisha ndawonye sihola imali efanayo sineyikweletu. Wena usuyo-applyile promotion usitshela ukuthi ungcono. Usufuna uhola imali engcono kunami. Hayibo kahle wena wazi wayitshela bo. Akho promotion la wayithola. The first people abakuvalayo. Yilabangani labo batshela izinto ngawe. Your plans. Nina njengabantu bakamoya vele akufanele ngabe nje nabantu be-association vele. So angazi if ukuthi une-association ukuthi yini kahle inkinga yakho. We are meant to live a life of solitude. It's a lonely, painful life. If kuguti you are not in sync with yourself, it becomes very lonely. The reason why you are supposed to be on your own is so that your guides, nengelosi yakho, they spend quality time with you. Hambile namhlanje mathi ndizubengise Pavilion. Yo, ngafike ngagula lapha ngithi abantu abadala bathi what are you doing here? Get the hell out of here. Phuma la, hamba la. What are you doing? Ngihamba ngolala emotweni. I've got overwhelmed. Kugcwele abantu baholile. Kugcwele. It's because the life of solitude, you're supposed to be on your own as a spiritually gifted person. You'll feel lonely for the longest time if you do not acknowledge the presence of your guides. But the minute you feel present, you begin to communicate with them. You do not become lonely. You don't become lonely. It's become an easier journey. Hamba ungena esibhedlela ufika ugula. Ubuye uvakashela isiguli esibhedlela but sekugula wena manje because udonsa, you are an empath, udonsa ukugula kwakho. Uhambe esontweni. Uyafana ngisho le. Uhambe esontweni. Ufike la, yabona isithunywa sakho bami sesiqala ukukhohlakala isithunywa sakho. Yo, you must go to church. Hey, ngake ngaye esontweni. Ngifike nje just nje ama ordinary member, ngivakashele esontweni. Ngafika lapha, ngangilokho ngithi isithunywa sakho siyaqasa, uyambona loyo? Umama umkhokheli loya. Uyambona loya mama umkhokheli? Uyambona loya mfana lo oshaya upiano lapha ya? Ay! Izinto kade bezenza. Uyambona loya? Umthakathi, wena bathakatha bonke la esontweni loya umthakathi. Futhi uyadinwa kakhulu bangabe ukuthi khona umuntu oqeda ukuthandaza ekugcineni emva kwakhe. Ukukhombisa. Uyambona umfundisi? Yena ngumfazi kaSibanibani lapha. Kade emudla umfundisi umudle wamqeda inkomo itshekile ithi umfundisi kade hawu nini izolo ebusuku hayi nanokuthi ni izolo ebusuku isithunywa sakho sikuthi yo thola lo itshontsha imali yasesontweni lo yabona lo uyena impela ukutshontsha imali yasesontweni ke loya even nama underwears awagqoka yamasha nalezi icathulo ezicubezelayo njengamanje umnikelo wabazalwane yo futhi yena ujola noma umfundisi hayi yo mama umfundisi sifuna ukumbona ke nangoba umfundisi nama hips atshekile ama hips atshekile lapha lo njengoba utshontsha noma umfundisi akubona ngoba nakhetha noma umfundisi no uthanda imali kaMfundisi so izotshontsha kalula bangabe edla uma umfundisi ubona lapho mama umfundisi ushaya glory to God kanje uyajabula ujabuliso ukuthi kade edliwa uloya otshontsha imali yesonto nalapho umfundisi naye ibhantshi selize lithi kanje umfundisi ucabanga lelo ntuzana le woman on top kade yenziwa isithunywa sakho. That's the things isithunywa sakho will do to you. Will do to you when you vibrate. So isithunywa sakho will always give you answers. And those answers are accurate. Never make a mistake. They'll always give you answers. And those answers are so damn accurate. It will shock you if you're weak. It will shock you if you're weak. Abanye benu la. Hey, go back. Kufika indoda yakho kuwena. Izokuvakashela izokucheck. Ukile nuka kahle. Shay cologne nuka grand. Indoda yakho. Mama isifikile la kuwena. Base nje inuki sex. Inuki sex. Inuke nje ucansi nje indoda. Inuke nje ucansi. Now because when you are in denial wena. So content nuka kabi la. Content ngayizwa kahle. Kube wena storm, ubuza indoda yakho i-content nuka la kumina wena. No. They are showing you ukuthi lo kade yofeba lo ukuthi usegezile manje unuka kahle lakho. It doesn't mean anything. Kunuki sex kuyena lo. Kunuki sex. They are trying to show you because your senses as well, they'll communicate with you in different ways. Your senses, you miss the point. You miss it. Kade bekutshela ukuthi hayi inkunzi malanga ya khona la kade idla khona njengoba isuza la kuwena khona la kade idla khona ngayizolo. So hluleke wena ukuthi uyibambe into yakho. Hluleke. Uyozuzinuka amakhwapha. Isex yenza nemakhwapheni. Isex yenza nemakhwapheni. Baby khona into enuka yizwayo. Angazi khona into engayizwa kahle. Wisdom isex namakhwapha ihlanganaphi? Abafana sebeyifaka amakhwapheni into yakho. Wenzani? No. Be honest with yourself. Your guys are showing you. Lo mkhufefe wakho lo kade uhambile uyowenza ucansi and it was not with you. It was with somebody else and they are showing you. Ukunuka kwakho amakhwapha akusizi ngalutho. You need to accept. How? You need to accept that inkunzi malanga le kade ihambile. So umtshela straight kubo. You must trust God. You must trust your guides. Umbuke ngqo kanje emehlweni ngiyakubulala noba wena. Ethi awubaby inda ethuke. Ethi ayindaba manje ukhuluma uthi ubulele nobani? Ubulele no but ungamtsheli ukuthi yini lo izwayo. Ungamtsheli ukuthi na uya no, you can't be saying hayi ngiyakuzwa unuka isex indoda izobona uyahlanya lo ayikho lento ayishoyo. Mhlawumbe njengoba efika kona namhlanje akazange efike kona for the past 3 days and ulale nomuntu 2 days ago. So awumtsheli umani uthi nje ubani lo kadulele naye wena khona kadulele naye ethi uthi hey lalela wena khona kadulele naye ngoba manje once wamtshela ukuthi ngiyakuzwa unuka isex uzobe ngabe selapha yayi seqeda ukuchama base yes baby hey umna wena hey uyazi nje hey uyakwazi ukubona mina nawe bamesilele ebona umsisi wabantu uyamazi usine namhlanje sikhuluma ngosine uyamazi usine hey guy uyamazi usine ngikhuluma ngosinethemba uyamazi usine hayi usinenhlanhla kananhlanhla uyayihluphekela nje Nkosi yami ngikhuluma ngosinethemba mina uyamazi usine yabona ukuthi hayi you know what this is a waste of time. Let me deal with this woman once and for all. So really guys, everybody please type F1 quickly. F1. Thank you. I hate it when TikTok does this. Learning type F1 lap F1 quickly. Just once, it's gonna be okay. So you guys basically ignore all the signs, all the spiritual signs which are given to you by ama guides way, you know. Bezama ukunikhombisa izinto ezithize. You must be able to accept, internalize and comprehend the method which your guides so choose to communicate with you, right? Okokuqala, okay, ngicela ukuchecka la guys, ungitshela ukuthi ugesa wakho ne? Okay, 16%. Okokuqala, ikhona indlela ama guides akho that they prefer to communicate with you, right? Mase kuba khona indlela which when you prefer them to talk to you. You must first master the art of understanding how they communicate with you, and then after you make recommendations. How then to, you understand? So it's a give and take thing, but the first to submit is you. It's not the other way around. Because abantu abaningi la kunina nikhala ngokuthi abakhulumi nami angibezwa nan. They show you in the simplest form, in the simplest way how to communicate, how they communicate with you and how for you to communicate with them. Now sengifuna ke before ngivale guys ugesa wokho nginebhadi nje ekuseni ngingenile nkosi yami angilida umoya ngangena la. I hope you guys had a fruitful one. Njengoba no 120 something ngicela uba after the live ningene ku YouTube channel usiyathango nje ni followish. We building something there. I think ama videos asuke bekwe lapha are going to last. They're going to be quite fruitful. So followish and subscribe to the page please. When I online kulo live njengamanje ungakayifollowish i-host ungakangifollowish uthembeni because your guys brought you here and it's not by mistake. Now before ngihambe ngifuna ukukhuluma ngobusuku bobusika. Ubusuku bobusika. Ama messages amaningi when wathola bangabe usemathongweni when you are sleeping through dreams emathongweni. In summer the day is longer and the nights are shorter. So for a spiritually gifted person, you must understand that your guides have got a shorter period of time in summer to communicate and engage with you. Do you understand? In winter, the day is shorter and the nights are longer. Now it means in winter, that is when your ancestors, your guides, imimoya yakho eyakhethayo uhamba nayo, that is when they are the most powerful. For the fact that bafika kwena bekhulume nawe emathongweni in your sleep, and for the fact that you'll sleep longer because it's winter, it means how nkosi yami ulive wami umane wabhala ukuthi makasine just joined. Makasine awungibulise makasine awuthi sawubona mkhulu. Ungungibize nje komkhulu makasine bawuthi uscrolla ngawadlula ngaze ngane inhlanhla Jehova simakado engingwele ukuthi nje kube khona umakasine ongena ku live wami. Yabona uNkulunkulu, guys, you must trust the Holy Spirit. Makasine ngicela nje ukuthi sawubona. Bazokubingelela bonke labantu emva kwalokho ngiyacela nkusama usakhona umakasine noma bedlula makasine ngibingelele nkosi yami ngibingelele umgcoco wenkosi. Guys, imani ngaqali guys ngifuna umakasine asengikhohlwe ukuthi bengithini. Umakasine uphi inkosi yami awujabulisa inhliziyo yami. Makasine abasithepha iscreen laba abenza ilutho ngishilo ngathi umakasine uzongena abingelele nje inhliziyo yami basiyagezeka nkosi yami before lo gesi uphele le rechargeable light iphele. Uphi makasine ngibingelele makasine uphi. How sengijabule kangaka umane wabaleka nkosi yami, she's overwhelmed. Shuthi uyazi ukuthi usine umoshile. Well guys, yazi ukubingelela ukuthi spiritually gifted yathusa le because abantu utshela ukuthi ufuna ukutshela indaba zakho. All right guys, yo. What was I saying guys? Okay, yeah. So ngokunjalo kubalekile ukuthi uye emanzini ngesikhathi sobusika, winter. Your guides are very, very powerful during this season, winter, when it's cold, when the nights are long and the day is short. That is when your guides are most powerful. Yabona umuntu bamekwazi ukuthi adile nawe in winter usuke namandla kakhulu lo muntu loyo. Usineba ngabe kwazi ukutshontshela in winter mokwazi unamandla ngempela lo muntu loyo, because that is when your guides. So impilo yakho ke manje, but I'm going to take you through impilo yakho yokukhuleka, right? Impilo yakho yokuthandaza, impilo yakho yokuphahla, impilo yakho yokuya entabeni, impilo yakho yokuya emanzini is very important now more than ever njengoba sekuqala iwinter. Right? Fanele ukuthi uyibambeke leyo nto ungayidedeli. You will have more dreams, longer dreams. Most of those dreams you might even forget. I think 80% all over popular because the night is so long and the information which is being downloaded to you iningi ngale ndlela eqalile, right? So ibambele manje ngenxa yokuthi manje sinenkinga. Okay, it's getting dark. Sinenkinga, amanzi aniwafuni, amanzi niyawasaba. Yingakho phela wena ugeza once a day because amanzi awafuni. Amanzi awafuni. Khona umunye kade ngibona ivideo yakhe ethi no ugeze kabili in summer twice and manje njengoba kuyi winter nje ucabanga ukuthi uzothatha kuleza insuku leziyana eboneza insuku. It was a very beautiful joke but sidala ukuthi ngicabange nina ngoba anithanda ukugeza nina anwafuna amanzi. So I'm saying to you, it's going to be the ideal time for you in winter ukuthi uze emanzini. That's when your guides are most powerful. And ngesikhathi esinyisa ngase emanzini, it will be more beneficial to you and your guides ukuthi nihanjiswe ngathi lesi. Then amathongo akho, you would spend more time with your guides, which is also very beautiful. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Again, ngize ngicomment indaba yasekuseni. I-commitment will always be at 666. Take my number on the bio, book the private consultation. Let's see what your guides say about you and your life, and then we take it from there. Let's see what your guides say about your spiritual journey. Let's see what's in inkinga zakho, what's the foundation of your problem, the root cause of your problem. Kebisana amakhanda abantu abami basenamukela isibusiso. Ukuthula kaNkulunkulu okuqonda konke makube seyinhlizweni zenu naseyingqondweni zenu. Masuthi umusa weNkosi yethu Jesu Kristu, uthando lukaNkulunkulu Baba, ubudlelwano kaMoya Oyingcwele nezibusiso ezivela kuyidalwa zenu ezihlambulukile makwehlele kunina manje naphakade. Amen. Love you guys. Ngilale kahle. Thanini amen lapho and then I'm gone. Follow the host guys. Follow the host. You'll see me tomorrow at 6 p.m. Ngilindele ukuthi ngitype amen. Sengiyahamba man. Sengihambile. There's no song, there's no electricity and this rechargeable light is ngiyanithanda ke nibe right niphile. Goodbye.